Welcome to IVT, and then again, last 2 weeks we were not online because there was no hot subject. Always the world is flooded with either COVID or China or India, and we are bored with the subject. After all, you will be bored with the subject also because of repeatedly only the all channels are talking about China withdrawing. The next day, China is not withdrawing. India say, I am going to fight a war. Next day, you see that India is moving its army closer to the LAC. So it has become a joke, and we felt bored, and we thought that you don't bore us, or we won't bore you. So these news is not very comfortable for us, not up to the level we want to discuss about. So today we will discuss about lobbying. The world is always flooded with the hot subject is called lobbying, and we will discuss about it. Lobbying is everywhere. America has got the most forceful or commendable or most effective political lobbying in the world. Let's talk about it. Please stay with us. Now the lobbying has become a subject because of a lot of problems are taking place in the Indian film industry. And India, we don't want to again cover India every time because India is one of the countries in the world. There are a lot of other countries who has problem. The problem is here is that there was a hot subject is going on, so we thought to cover it. And the reason is that Bollywood as an industry is dominated by some kind of people who belongs to film industry traditionally. Father was an actor, Kapoors were actor, otherwise Bachchans were actor. Their children, though they are not, many of them are not even talented, they get chances, they get a platform, they get movies, their script is read, they get the payment more than they deserve. At the same time, talented people like Kangana, she struggled a lot. And she achieved something. Now everyone is after her, preying on her, like a vultures are preying on a small squirrel. Why? Because she came from Arunachal, I believe. I'm not sure about it, but I believe that she's from Arunachal Pradesh. She didn't know English. So she didn't belong to that Oxbridge. So everyone has isolated her. And again, we are not her fan, but we are the fan of the people who struggle and achieve something. And we support and appreciate the spirit behind every kind of struggle and the people who achieve something through that struggle. We are not achieving, we are not praising, or we are not supporting, or we are not against anyone who is not achieved and directly landed into a cushy plum post or plum position or plum role or any attractive main roles without because their parents are actors or actresses, or they are directors, they belong to a family, and all these things. So that's why we are going to discuss today about why one actor has committed suicide. Not only one, another girl also, so many years committed suicide. She was a Muslim girl. So we will discuss about it. Let us take the issue. Issue is that people from Kashmir to Kanyakumari in India, in the entertainment industry, they create a group. This group can be a group of people who has fit for different role. There is a people who in that group who fit for hero. There will be a woman who is fit for a heroine. There will be other mother role, father role. Everyone is already there. They have the entire group who belongs to or who is suitable for the roles. What they do once a script or a producer come, they take over it. And no new faces are getting any chances, and the gate is shut always. If any new faces will come, these guys will say, sorry, there is no opening. What happened? We are missing, so many talents in India are missing opportunities, though they have more talent than the existing talents. But for the producer, it is a bangable group. Why? The hero and heroine has got so many films, they have name, they have followers, they have fans. That is easily accessible, so that they know that a ticket will be sold. Secondly, the group say that they are comfortable with these people, so that they will have a chemistry and they can shoot the movie better and the output will be better. That's also truth. But what about the people who don't have a father or a mother or a godfather in the film industry? At the same time, they want to enter. What is the solution? There is no solution. First of all, no producer is going to bet for the newcomers. Secondly, these newcomers are not a guarantee of selling the ticket. Third, they don't have a fan base. At the same time, someone has to give them some opportunity. Obviously, we have to get, including I have to get. So these things are taking place because the producer and the distributor want to know who all are in the packing. This is called packaging. Packaging means a director, a bankable director, a bankable actor, a bankable actress, most probably A-list, award winners, those who are going to big fans. Only then the distributor will pay advance. Secondly, the producer has to deliver the work in a quality and bankability to the distributor on time. So training a newcomer or taking risk on a newcomer will be a big risk. Even if the newcomer don't get any payment, the other people have to be paid. The cameraman has to be paid, the light boy has to be paid, the location has to be paid. So many payment is there. Hotel, food, the prep, all these have to be paid. So all these expenditure comes in crores, especially in Indian rupees, or in millions in American. So what happened is that only the people who has the fans will be taken. So why the newcomers are not getting chance? The newcomers has to start with the small movies. What is a small movie? First of all, short movies they have to produce with someone else, or they have to be part of some serial, small serial, and show their face on the TV channel and slowly create a fan base. Working hard or work on a serial, work on a internet serial or YouTube serial, and work on a TV, and after that move into the TV serial, then start working on a small low budget movies and slowly pick up, because big roles are available for newcomers only for females, not for males. Females have a bad name that they go and sleep with the director or producer. Though there is a truth in that, there is also less truth in that. Everyone will not go and sleep with the producer. Everyone will not go and sleep with the director. Those who go do that, they may get a direct entry very easily, shortcut, backroom entry. So all these are part of this industry, because girls are exploited. Some girls are voluntarily give because they are very highly ambitious.